Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers, you are welcome back again to Nail Vibes. To my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you guys. And to my first time viewers, you are welcome to my channel. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous queens, as you can see already in this video for today, I have the best compilations of white, birthday and wedding nail art designs. Watch the video to the end in order for you to pick the best lines to make on your nails. As you can see, these nails are looking so gorgeous and very astonishing. You can really see any picture here which you will not like. So watch to the end, pick your best line and make it on your nails. And please ladies, as you watch the video, kindly support it by hitting the like button, okay? Give this video a thumbs up and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can as well save it for a later use. And in case this is not really what you want, you can also go into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can watch from there and make your choices. Thank you ladies so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.